Hi and welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to connect your Xbox One controller with your Firestick. So let's get started. We'll first start off with the controller. So grab your controller and on the menu system, go across to the right-hand side to settings. From here, we go down to the middle row and we go across to remotes and Bluetooth devices. Select that. And the second option is for game controllers. We click OK there. Second option again, add new controller. Select. Next, grab your controller, press the power button, which is the X just here. That's powering on. And if you just look at the top of the controller, there's a Wi-Fi button there. We just want to press and hold that. You'll notice the X start to flash a little bit quicker on the controller. This means the controller is in discoverable mode. And we're just waiting for the Firestick to discover it. And there you can see an Xbox wireless controller. Grab your Firestick remote, hit enter. It says pairing the controller. And as you can see, the Xbox wireless controller is now connected. When you're ready to disconnect, all you need to do is go back to the same menu, remotes and Bluetooth devices, game controllers, highlight your Xbox wireless controller, then press the three buttons on the remote control, press select, and the Xbox controller is disconnected. So I hope you found this useful, and if you have, really appreciate if you give the video a quick thumbs up. Do check out my channel, there are plenty more hints and tips and tricks for using your Firestick. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I wish you a great day ahead.